Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you get done.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy. It's another beautiful day. Welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys some cleaning items I got from Alcampo. But before I get into this video, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, let's get straight into this video. I got some cleaning items from Alcampo that I'll be sharing with you guys. So I want to test them to see how everything goes. If it's something I like, I'll come back to tell you the products I like, how I feel about the products. So guys, let's get straight into. So first is this Amuñeco Perfumada. Is a disinfectant. This I used to clean my toilet. I use it to clean the floor. So this one is the perfumed one. The natural ones smell a bit strong and harsh. So this, the price, I'll be telling you the approximately price because I lost the ticket. Maybe it's in the car or somewhere. So this should be less than €1, or it should be €1 some cents thereabout. So that's it for this Amuñeco. I'll come back to tell you how I feel about all these products. So that's it for this. Next is this Frigasuelo Colonia. So this one is I put this one inside water to scrub my thighs. So it smells good. So I'll try it. I'll get back to you. So this one should be about €1 some cents. Also is a liter and a half. The Amuñeco too is a liter and a half. So both are €1 some cents, or the Amuñeco should be less than €1, but they're about. So guys, next is this microfiber rag for cleaning. So this one comes in three in one packet. Comes blue, pink and yellow. So this one I got for €1 some cents. Also the cent on top, I'm not really sure, but let's just keep it like that, €1 some cents. So this I got to clean my tables, clean some surfaces, my kitchen here and there. So that's it for this. The next is an iron sponge. Is an iron sponge. There are 2 in one pack. So this should be less than €1, or it should be €1 some cents. I know it's not more than €1 50 cents thereabout. So that's it for this. Next is this toilet freshener. So this you put in your toilet to flush. So this one comes 3 in one pack. So this one should be, Diana, do you have idea? Is it up to €2? No, it should be €1 70 something cent thereabout. No, it's more than, no, this one should be more than, it's not less. So this one is not up to €2. Is €1 plus, but I don't know what is the plus on top because I misplaced the receipt. I'll be more careful next time, you know. So that's it for this. The next is this Kitagrasa. So this one is to take off all these stubborn fats off your kitchen surface. You can use it for your gas cooker, even for your clothes. your kitchen in general. So this one comes with lemon perfume, lemon aroma. So this is around €1 70 something cent or €1 80 something cents thereabouts. So this one most especially, I want to try it. I'll come back and give you guys the feedback how it works, because the last one I bought from Mercadona, I didn't like it at all. But I'll still share that one with you in another video. I didn't like it. It wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. But I'll come back to share the feedback of this. If it's giving what it's supposed to give, doing what it's supposed to do, I'll come back to do that in another video. So that's it for this. The next is this Kitamancha Ropa Blanca. So this one is to take off dirt from white clothes. So it's like bleach. I don't know, I've not tried it before, so I'll try it. I'll come back, I'll give you the feedback. 22 liters. This one too is €1 some cents. Yeah, €1 some cents. Next is detergent to wash clothes. So Fresco. So this one comes in how many liters? 3 liters. The liter is not written here, but from the size I'm seeing, it should be about 3 liters. So this one I got for either €4 some cents or €5 some cents. I'm not too sure, but I think €4 some cents. So I'll come back to tell you how I feel about it, if I like it, if I'll still continue with it or not. So that's it for this. Let's see how it smells. It smells good. So that's it for this. The next is this lavaba here, to wash plates, to wash your dishes. So this one is 1.5 liters. This one also I got for €1 15 cents. No. €1 20 cents. €1 50 cents. Anyways, this one is €1 some cents. I can't remember how much is the cent on top. So that's it for this dishwasher. So next is this window spray cleaner. So these two I got for how much? €1 something? Is it up to €2? €1 something. So I got this one for €1 something. So I'll try everything. I'll come back. I'll let you know the finished results. So guys, I think this is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please show some love and support by clicking on the like button. Put your comment down below. Feel free to share. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.